Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn with Chi. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Today, we're learning 5 easy English greetings that you can use every day. Number 1, hello. You can use hello any time of the day. It's friendly, simple, and always right. Number 2, hi. It's a shorter way to say hello. You can say hi to your friends, classmates, or anyone you meet. Number 3, how are you? It means you care about how the other person is feeling. You can say, hi, how are you? And they might say, I'm fine, thank you. Number 4, what's up? It's a more casual way to greet friends. It means, how are you? Or what are you doing? But only for people you know well. And number 5, good morning. You can use this greeting before noon when the day is still fresh and bright. Now you know 5 simple English greetings: hello, hi, how are you, what's up, and good morning. Practice these every day and you'll sound more natural when speaking English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more English with me. Learn with Chi.